Hello guys, welcome to Officers Marathon channel for government schemes discussion. Before going to the topic, you must know that at least one question is being asked from government scheme. Okay, and uh, and also you must know about the difference between central sector and center sponsored schemes. Okay, get an idea about this uh, difference between them. Okay, we will go into the topic. Firstly, Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jana Aushadhi Pariyojana. Okay, it is the scheme actually to provide quality medicines at affordable prices to masses. Okay, its implementing agencies Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India, BPPI. Okay, it is under administrative control of Department of Pharmaceuticals. We actually confuse the Department of Pharmaceuticals comes under Ministry of Health. Okay, it actually comes under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Okay, Department of Pharmaceuticals comes under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. You must remember that. Okay, as I said, BPPI is the implementing agency of this Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jana Aushadhi Pariyojana. Okay, just look at this BPPI. Yeah, it is implementing some digital glucometer and test strips. Okay, it scheme aim is to provide quality medicines at cheaper price. Okay, next Nipun Bharat. I have provided on both sides. Okay, both are same. Okay, Nipun Bharat. It is national initiative for proficiency in reading with understanding and numeracy. Actually, the vision of this Nipun Bharat is to create enabling environment so that every child achieves desired learning competencies in reading, writing, okay, numeracy, etc. uh, I have given in both sides because I want to you to know that Nipun Bharat, as it is education, comes under Ministry of Education. Okay, remember that Nipun Bharat. Okay, next. I have forgotten to give you some input for this government schemes topic. Okay, you actually remember. You have to remember what a particular scheme is about. Okay, and under which ministry it is coming. Okay, you just need to remember these two things so that you can easily eliminate the option. Okay, just that's why I'm emphasizing on this entire class over the under which ministry the scheme is coming. Okay, next Mission Karma Yogi. Mission Karma Yogi, it is actually a national program for civil service capacity building. Okay, civil service capacity building, and it it actually comes under a council under the chairmanship of Prime Minister is the apex body for this. Okay, next Swamitwa scheme. Under this scheme, rural inhabited lands are actually mapped by using the help of drones. Okay, and the property cards are also being distributed under this scheme. Okay, and Ministry of Panchayati Raj and Development, this schemes under this ministry. Okay, next linked incentive scheme. Okay, it is actually a central sector scheme, implies 100% funding from central government. Okay, it is from Ministry of Food Processing of Industries. Okay, the main aim of this scheme is to encourage local companies to set up some manufacturing units. Okay, setting up manufacturing units that implies what that creates more employment and that reduces the import. Okay, the reliance on import has to be reduced. That is the main aim of the scheme. Okay, next aim iCrest, Atal Innovation Mission. About this it was asked last year. Okay, this aim iCrest, it's jointly launched by Niti Aayog along with Melinda Gates Foundation and Wadhwani Foundation. Aim of this aim iCrest is enhancing the incubator capabilities. Okay, focused on creating high performance startups. Okay, for creating high performance startups. Okay, this I am aim iCrest. Okay, next Swachh Sarvekshan 2020. Okay, it is the world's largest cleanliness survey for urban areas. You need to remember this. This was done for only urban areas. Okay, it is done. This survey was done by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, and it is not clear here. Actually, in this survey, Indore is topping the list. It's for fourth time in a row. It topped the list. Okay, next. Streets for People Challenge. It is from Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sorry. Okay. Its aim is to inspire cities to create pedestrian friendly streets. Okay. Pedestrian friendly streets. For making that this Streets for People Challenge from Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay. Next. Kapila schemes. It's very important. Okay. Kapila scheme. It's actually Kalam program for IP literacy and awareness. Okay, it is actually for creating awareness regarding intellectual property rights. Okay, Kalam scheme, intellectual property rights. Kalam program for intellectual property literacy and awareness. Remember it. It's from Ministry of Education. Okay, next. STARS project. Okay, it is strengthening teaching, learning, and results for states. Okay, it is implemented through Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, and it is actually built on long partnership between India and World Bank. Okay, India and World Bank for strengthening public school education. See, it covers STARS project is covered in these states: Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Kerala and Odisha. Okay, just know about this. Okay, centrally sponsored scheme was given. This is a centrally sponsored scheme, means central government will provide some funding, along with that state government has to provide some share to that scheme. Okay, next. Anamaya scheme. Okay, Anamaya scheme, it is actually with the joint collaboration of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Tribal Affairs, along with some NGOs are also there, Perumal Foundation and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Okay, actually this Anamaya scheme, it aims at enhancing the health and nutrition ecosystem of tribal communities. Okay, next. PM Swanidhi Yojana scheme. Okay, it is a micro credit facility for street vendors. That is as per the scheme, rupees 10,000 will be, okay, like a collateral free loan will be given. Okay, it comes under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, remember that. Next, 5-star villages scheme. It is scheme from postal department. Okay, the aim of this scheme is to bridge the gap. Okay, in public awareness and the reach of postal products, just to create the awareness among people about the postal products whatever they were launching. Okay, especially in interior of villages. Okay, these schemes, 5-star villages schemes, comes under Department of Posts, that comes under this Ministry of Communications. Okay, next. Textile, Mitra Investment Textiles Parks, Mitra. Okay, the aim of this scheme is to enable this textile industry to become globally competitive. Okay, Mitra scheme, remember this, mega investment textiles park. Okay, in the budget it was mentioned that they were going to establish 7 textile parks. Okay, remember it. Okay, next. PM Vani. Vani implies Wi-Fi access network interface. Okay, PM access network interface, and the scheme of this aim is to increase the Wi-Fi access throughout the country. Okay, PM Warning, this scheme comes under Ministry of Communication. Okay, we will wind up here. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.